Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to make this chess online game inside Python. So this will be a desktop application. This will be an offline game, multiplayer game. You can just play with two players. So this is a design of the game. Here you can see that chess game. You have visited many websites on the internet. You can see the design as well. This is very much similar to those websites. So we will be designing this chessboard and then we will have these players. You can just play this game. So all the source code regarding this video will be there inside the video description. You can just go to my blog here, which is there inside video description. Just go to it. Step by step instruction is given here. You can see if you just click this button, download source code, you will be redirected to the GitHub repository where all the source code is there. So just go to the video description and you can just download all the source code. And now let me guide you how to do this. So first of all, if you just go to this GUI here, GUI application, you just need to uh, if you are building on Visual Studio, so simply you need to copy this address if you have Git installed on your computer. So Git is a tool here for programmers, so just type Git here on it, and if you don't have it, just install it by going to this website. So if you have Windows installed, just click on the download button, it will install it. So it's a command line tool here. So simply you will type this address git clone and then you will paste this GitHub repository address. So it is saying that it already exists in this folder. So I will just make another folder here, which is chess game. I will go to into this folder and then I will execute this command git clone and then the repository address. So now it will clone into this directory cd. I will cd into this directory and then I will open this directory inside Visual Studio Code text editor. So you can even download the zip file as well by visiting this repository that I given here inside my blog post. So you will see this directory structure here. If you open your Visual Studio Code text editor, you will see this is all the files which are available for this game here, multiplayer game. So simply you need to go to the command line and run this file, which is gui.py. This is the main file that you need to run. So you should be having Python installed first of all, and then you just need to type python gui.py. So if you just type this command here, it will run your application. So you will see this is your chess game, multiplayer game. Now you can play here, just play this. Now you cannot play it because this is a black turn, so it will play it like this. So standard rules of chess here, you will see this will also give you suggestions as well how you can just play it. So in this way you can just do this. So you can see now I cannot uh, like this. So you can just play the chess game here. So this is very easy. So this was a standard game that I wanted to just tell you how to just make a chess game here inside Python here. And for this we are using a framework which is called as Twikinter. Twikinter is a desktop application framework for Python. If you just search on Google, so we are using this framework of Python which is used to make desktop applications in Python. So this is a very popular framework. So with the help of this we are making this game here. So all the source code will be there inside the video description. You can just go to it and download all the source code, and also check out my website, which is freemediatools.com. So on this website we have the tools regarding audio, image and video. So also use this website. Please share this website with your friends and also join the Facebook group as well. And I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.